In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Leo AI button in the toolbar. If you've noticed a small Leo AI button in your toolbar and want a cleaner, simpler workspace, this quick guide will show you how to turn it off without changing anything else in your setup. We'll move carefully through the settings so you know exactly where to find the option and what to expect when you toggle it. Start by opening the app's main menu. Look to the top right corner for the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the dropdown. From there, select Settings, which is the option with the gear icon. This takes you into the area where you can control how the app looks and behaves. On the left side of the settings window, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Appearance. This section is dedicated to how your interface looks, themes, layout, and what shows up in the toolbar. It's the right place to manage visual elements so you can keep your workspace focused on what you use most. Inside Appearance, scroll down until you see the Toolbar section. This section groups together the switches that control which buttons are visible on your toolbar. Look for the option labeled Show Leo AI button. You'll see a small toggle switch next to it. To turn the button off, click the toggle so that it moves to the left and turns gray. That color change is your visual confirmation that the setting is off. As soon as you do this, the Leo AI button should disappear from your toolbar. There's no need to save anything manually. Changes typically apply instantly. If you change your mind later, you can come back to the same setting and click the toggle again to turn it on. When the switch moves to the right and turns a contrasting color, the button will reappear on your toolbar. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Show Leo AI button option, make sure you're in the Appearance panel and that you've scrolled to the Toolbar section. Interface labels can vary slightly between versions, so the wording may be very close, even if not identical. Also, if the button doesn't disappear right away, try closing the settings window to refresh the view. Most of the time, the change is immediate. That's it. You've successfully hidden the Leo AI button and streamlined your toolbar. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner workspace.